Alright, so this is a big one here. I don't really have a good camera setup for this, but I'll go ahead and try it anyways. So this is one of those single serve coffee machines. The brand is called Kingtoo. Here's the description. The model is CM2020R. Made in China. And here's the SKU. Alright, so let's see. Let me get something to cut this box open. Never have the proper tools with me, huh? Alrighty, let's find something else here. See, I have my knife over here in the corner, and of course I do not. So let's try this little driver bit. Alright, next time I will leave a knife by my desk. Okay, so first thing, as you can see, we have the pamphlet here. Single serve coffee brewer. You use those typical pods. Again, here's the branding, Kingtoo. Let's go ahead and take this out of the box. So this came in different colors. I think there was option of black, white, and as you can see, I got the red color because why not? Okay. This out here. There. Comes in these very nice hard cardboard injection mold. Very high quality. Alright, so it comes with this one here where you can use and roast your own coffee grounds. And I want to try this and use this and make some Vietnamese coffee. Should be a good, wow, that should probably do 2 cups. That's going to be a good serving. And then it comes with the typical pod, where you put those pods in. There you go, just plop in the pod and it'll poke the hole and it'll use those typical 1 serving pods. And undo this knot here. So far this unit is actually pretty light. It's made out of good quality plastic, or typical quality plastic that you would get. Alright, let's see here. So here's the front of the unit. It has a nice little stainless steel finish. Everything else is plastic. Here's the grate here, the cleaning grate. So this could fit like a good sized tumbler, a typical tumbler. The bottom is pretty much nothing. Here's the back of it, which is pretty much nothing. And inside here is where you would pour in the water, which is a little bit, I believe they say a little bit over a cup. Serving size, let's see here, let's find you quick details here, just so you know. information. Cup, one touch, drip tray. Alright, here we go. So I think on the website it said 2 to 14 ounce. Place brew basket in place. Do not use coffee grounds. Close the top. Coffee brew. Yeah, I don't have to reread this. I guess the website is telling me something a little bit different, but here you go. You pour in from 6 to 14 ounces of water. So it comes with the other. We can use your own grounds. You know, that one right there says do not use coffee grounds. But I'm pretty positive you can. I'm just not sure why this instruction manual says otherwise. Oh, here you go. There is this one here. Brewing coffee using coffee grounds and tea leaves. Oh, good. My wife will love that. There you go. So, yeah, I was just reading it. So, there's two types of baskets. This is talking about the K-cup basket, and this is talking about the bring your own type of basket right here. So, okay. So, yep, you pour 6 to 14 ounces there. Push to open. Oh, cool. So I guess I get 2 baskets, 2 of my own brewing baskets, which that's cool. Then here's the K-cup. Here's the little puncture thing right there. And once you plug it in, there's this one right here. So if you push both these buttons at the same time, it's called a kind of like a cleaning mode, where it'll just kind of clean out the machine. But you know, depending if you're using capsule or ground, then you just push that. Pretty simple, right? So the cool thing is mine actually came with 3 pods that I can use, which is pretty cool. Of course, one's already inside. Alright, so if you have any questions, comments, leave it below. Again, this is the 1 serving coffee maker, or tea maker, by Kingtoo. Yeah, pretty good fit and finish overall. It'll look nice on the counter, nice red color. Alright, make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Kingtoo.